Good morning. Welcome to today's episode of Coffee, Chaos, and Real Life. Today, I truly want to get real with you. But first, I guess I should introduce myself. My name is Scott, and this is Scottified Furniture, where I like to make old furniture new again. Hopefully, this episode doesn't scare you off, and at the end, you will subscribe and follow. So let's get into it. This weekend, I did not touch a single piece of furniture. Honestly, it just wasn't in me. I wasn't feeling it. I don't know why exactly. I wasn't angry. I wasn't upset. I just felt stuck in my own head a little bit. And every time I thought about heading out to the garage, well, I just didn't. And for the first time in a while, I decided it was okay. You know, sometimes we need a break, even from the things we love. However, something funny happened. That night, Saturday night, Julian and I went to a friend's gathering. There were a few people there we knew, but several I had never met before. One after another. These strangers would approach me and tell me about my furniture, that they thought my work was amazing, that they thought it was beautiful. And if I'm being completely truthful, I struggled to accept those compliments. I felt like a fraud, I guess. Maybe because all I see when completing these projects is the mistakes, the brush strokes that I wish were smoother, the projects that didn't go as planned, the pieces that took longer than they should have. I think we all know those feelings. But standing there, just listening to the people and these strangers talk about something I created in a 2-car garage, it was a reminder that sometimes we're the last people to see our own worth. This little hobby that started as something fun, I feel like it has grown into something much bigger than I ever imagined, and that's exciting. So I guess this message is for you, and maybe it's for me too. We need to remind ourselves we are good enough. Our work is good enough. And sometimes it is okay to step away, recharge, and let other people remind us of what we've built. And maybe that's the lesson I'm taking into this week. Not every day has to be productive. Not every weekend has to end with a finished project. And not every compliment needs to be explained away. Sometimes the people around us, they can see something we've forgotten to see in ourselves. So, if you've been doubting yourself lately, consider this your reminder. Keep going. The thing you're building, it really matters. And you're probably doing a lot better than you think you are. So, I'll see you back in the garage real soon. Have a great day.